Hey guys, welcome back to Kamara Reaction for another reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming back. This is another K-pop versus J-pop video, and I think this is male edition. I hope I'm right. I think this is male edition. I didn't skim through. I think this is male edition. I think I'm right this time. So let's see their list. I won't be surprised if BTS is first. Oh, they might have girls too. Okay. Name. Okay, that group was nice. Oh. Japanese? It would be BTS for me for this one. It would be BTS for me for that one.
Set fire, fire, fire. 뜨거운 熱으로 뱉어. 빨간 내 입술로 날 뱉어.
It'd be Spain for me for this one. I like this one. I like that one. Yeah. I like the other one better. I like this one too, but I like the other one better. I love me some Fakie. I love me some Fakie. There is more visually appealing, but I like Fakie's one better. Pretender. Oh my god, I like this song. Oh my god, Pretender. I think I reacted this song. I like the song. I like the visuals. I'm sorry, I like that song. I'm sorry, I like Pretender. This is good too, Day 6. Yeah, One and only. I like the other one better, One and Only. Okay, with this list, I'm here for it. Oh. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Joan, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. I'm sorry, they won for me. They won for me. I'm sorry, they won for me. Joe won one for me. I'm so sorry. I like me some Arashi too. Oh god, Stray Kids winning from him, sorry. Stray Kids win from him, so sorry. Okay, who did? Blue Sapphire. Or
all right, guys, if you've been injured in a car accident, you have to check this out. So I just got this check from my attorney for
oh no, I like the other one better. Like the hair color. Okay, Pentagon. Oh.
Ain't nobody know, ain't nobody watching us. 僕らのキスをいつまでもいつまででも続くだ。한남 동요한 village.
Okay.
어느 그 스타를 보면 you and me.
Bum. 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 Come on, black brother in the back. Oh, this one won for me. Come on. Every day. Overworld. Give me the drama. Yes! Spin for the gods! Oh, it's one. Give it to me, ladies. I'm sorry they won. I'm so sorry. Oh, I like that one. This one, I like the other one better. I do love some 17 too.
Whatever the day brings, Grammarly helps you communicate smarter.
Come on, anime song. This is gonna be my song on there. So, as you guys can see, that was a K-pop versus J-pop edition. You know, I pick and choose mine. Hopefully, you guys could leave a comment in the comment section what you guys choose based on the song choices. I've been thinking about like 15 to 16 song choices. This or that or. So, I want to say thanks to the ones who appreciate, who recommend me to react to these videos. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, I like both J-pop and K-pop. I like both. Like I said, whatever you guys want to react to, leave a link below and I'll react to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.